I want to eat now. I want to eat now. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. I like sleeping late. I like sleeping late. I like working from home. I like working from home. I need to buy food. I need to buy food. I want to drink water. I want to drink water. I want to sleep early. I want to sleep early. I like walking in the park. I like walking in the park. I like reading books. I like reading books. I need to make breakfast. I need to make breakfast. I need to call my friend. I need to call my friend. I want to cook dinner. I want to cook dinner. I like eating breakfast early. I like eating breakfast early. I like drinking coffee. I like drinking coffee. I need to eat now. I need to eat now. I need to leave the house. I need to leave the house. I want to travel soon. I want to travel soon. I need to take a shower. I need to take a shower. I need to finish my work. I need to finish my work.